What's up, y'all? So in today's video, as you can tell from the title, we're going to be installing some new tail lights on the Vette. I have it with the hood up right now because we're actually going to be filming multiple videos today. There's something I did do really quick before filming, so I just had to swap these out. One of them was shot, the one on that side was shot, so this wouldn't stay up, but I just ended up doing the pair and just, you know, get it out of the way, so now it'll be easy to work on. But what we're swapping out today are the stock taillights. I have already swapped out the third brake light and both the rear and the front side markers. Again, what I picked up are these. They're the Morimoto lights for the C6 Corvette. I had considered going with the clear smoked, but I thought red would look a lot better on this car since it's already red. Here's an idea of what it'll look like. They're gonna look so much better, especially when they're lit up. Another piece it does come with is I opted in for the smoked vinyl sticker that goes in the center to cover the reflector, so that's gonna look super cool. Like I said, I am filming multiple videos today. The next thing I have, the next video that I'll be doing today is actually the headlights and the fog lights. I did get a set of the C7 style Morimoto headlights, so those will be going on today. I'm just doing the taillights first since they're so much easier to do. It's literally just that top screw right here, and they're plug and play, so it should take me about 10-15 minutes. For those of you that don't know how to install them, I'm not going to do a how-to video because there's so many on YouTube, and apart from that, it's literally just that screw right there. It's a T15 Torx. Literally, you just unscrew it, unplug it. You do need to shimmy the tail lights out just a little bit. They take a little bit of play, but it's just a matter of seconds for them to pop out. And then I've heard that the Morimoto ones are a little trickier to get in because they're so thick, but they're a perfect fit from what I've seen online. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off, but before I do that, I'll show you how those look when they're on, when you brake, and then comparing them to these. So I'll put the two left ones on first, just so you guys can get a side-by-side comparison, and then I'll just show you the difference when they're completely on. So let me go ahead and show you the stock lights. Yeah, you guys can see it's just that one little screw right there that she's loosening. Not I can't. Here, I can do it since you got nails. Okay, that's it. It is this screw.
This one's hella.
Yeah, once it's all loose like that, you can either just grab the top and lift it up because of the hooks at the bottom, and here you go. Oh, it's because the thing broke. That was gonna be the snap.
But it's on. And then put it in like this.
You do back end first. If you do it on
First. Like that? They're thick.
I know. Can you hold this? Because they say it's a tight fit. just gotta get this to lined up here.
It makes it a little harder with my nails.
There we go.
I can tighten them. The first one. I like it more even just like without it being on.
Yeah.
You can already tell, you know?
And this one.
Can I take that one off?
I'm just gonna break again.
Oh, okay.
Alright, also here is the left side installed. The right side is still the stocks. And we'll show you guys the difference. So look at that. That's the turn signals. So as you guys can see, it's way brighter with the Morimotos versus the stock. It's a world of a difference. So we're gonna go ahead and install the right side, finish it all up, and then show you guys the end result. So before we finish up these last two, I'm gonna show you guys something on it. They do have the direction, so right hand obviously passenger side, left hand driver's side. These two cables that are just dangling here, what those are for the sequential setting on the taillights. As I showed you guys on the clip of the left hand side on, they don't have the sequential setting on. I personally prefer it to be this way. I don't really like the sequential on these lights. So if you want the sequential, you are supposed to leave them unplugged like this. If you want them to be like the factory lights to both light up at the same time, you plug them in. So those two are plugged in. We're about to plug in these two and put them on. All right, y'all, so we're done with the install. This is how the car looks with them off. Crazy difference, as you guys can see. I don't know, I hope the camera isn't flickering, but they're not flickering in person. If it is, it just looks so nice. It's crazy how much this changes it. It looks so much newer. I can't wait. There's so much stuff on it. See, like you can see there, hit the brakes again. You can see the third LED brake light. Like, and then these are LED too. Let me just twist it here. So, got the LED side markers to go with the tail lights. Yeah, see now, I feel like they're flickering, but they don't flicker. It's just the camera. But yeah, we got LEDs. And then the front one, the white. So that's gonna go well with the headlights we're about to install. But again, that's going to be on a different video. For now, this is gonna be it. They look great. I love them. But yeah, if you guys want a set of these, I purchased them off of Vet Lights. Cole is the owner of Vet Lights. Super easy to get everything. My girlfriend bought me these, the side markers and the third brake light, and then I just got these ones and the headlights. But super easy to get them through there. I would definitely recommend purchasing there. I do have to wash this thing because it's super filthy. Something about me and always having my car super filthy, especially when I'm recording. But that's basically it for this video. It's super easy to install. Again, you have the settings to choose from, either if you want them to be like OEM or if you want the sequential. There's multiple videos showing the sequential. I didn't want to do it, so you can just check. Even on the Morimoto website, I think they show the sequential ones, but I prefer it this way. But if you guys like the lights, drop a like on the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you guys want to see upcoming videos with the Corvette, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.